Good morning, everybody. Morning. You know, say, from the other day, me hear everybody a talk about this. Woman fi pay a bill, woman not pay a bill, half price woman fi pay, and man fi pay everything. One heap of something. But, you know, when me I say about that, me no ask woman fi pay a bill. Nope. Me no ask no woman fi pay no bill. And you know why? Me go pay my bill because me nah sleep or live out a door. Me want to watch me TV. Me want to watch me internet. Me want to use me light. Me want to use me water. Me want to use electricity. So me nah ask no woman to pay no bill. Me go pay all me bill myself. If she no want help pay the bill, I fear her business that. Because she may end up out a door, not me. Not me now go out a door, me now get pushed out of my house, me now get cut off light, cut off water, cut off internet. No, as she may end up out a door. And at that me say, me out. Peace.